Tired of spending hours vacuuming and mopping your floors? Well, imagine a device that does both automatically. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best robot vacuum and mop combos of 2025. Please watch the full video to know which product is truly the best, because our number 1 pick offers some game-changing features you don't want to miss. Let's jump right into it. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. Eufy Omni C20. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Eufy Omni C20, an all-in-one cleaning station robot. It features a 3.35-inch slim design perfect for cleaning under sofas, beds, and furniture. With 7,000 pascals powerful suction, this robot picks up dust, crumbs, pet hair, and more. It is fully hands-free thanks to auto mop washing, auto drying, and self-emptying, making it a great option for busy homeowners. Pros: 3.35-inch ultra-low profile body fits under tight spaces. Powerful 7,000 pascals suction. Hands-free. Auto mop washing, drying, and self-emptying. Reliable performance for hardwood, tile and low-pile carpets. Number 4. Mova P10 Pro. At number 4, the Mova P10 Pro Ultra packs a serious cleaning punch with 13,000 pascals suction, one of the strongest in its class. It features 140 degrees Fahrenheit hot water auto mop washing and drying, eliminating bacteria and odors from mop pads. The dual spinning extendable mop ensures edges are cleaned better, and 360 degrees obstacle avoidance reduces collisions around your home. Pros: extremely powerful 13,000 pascals suction for deep cleaning. 140 degrees Fahrenheit hot water mop cleaning for hygiene. Dual spinning extendable mop for corner coverage. Smart 360 degrees obstacle avoidance for safer navigation. Number 3. Roborock Q7 M5 Plus. Coming in at number 3, the Roborock Q7 M5 Plus delivers up to 7-9 weeks of hands-free cleaning with its upgraded self-emptying system. With 10,000 pascals suction and a dual anti-tangle system, it's ideal for homes with pets and carpets. Powered by PreciSense lidar navigation, it maps your home with high accuracy and can be controlled via the Roborock app. Pros: 7-9 weeks of no manual emptying. Dual anti-tangle brushes for pet hair. Strong 10,000 pascals suction. Accurate lidar mapping and advanced app control. Number 2. Roborock Qrevo S5V. At number 2, we have the Roborock Qrevo S5V, offering FlexiArm edge mopping that cleans right into corners. With 12,000 pascals suction, dual zero-tangle system, and 10mm mop lifting, it adapts to carpets intelligently. It washes and dries its mop pads and offers self-emptying and water refilling through its dock, making maintenance even easier. Pros: FlexiArm edge mopping for corner cleaning. 12,000 pascals powerful suction. Dual zero-tangle system for pet hair. Self-emptying and self-refilling for full automation. Number 1. Roborock Qrevo CurvX. And finally, the best robot vacuum and mop combo of 2025 is the Roborock Qrevo CurvX. With an incredible 22,000 pascals suction, this is one of the strongest consumer robot vacuums on the market. It features a 3.14-inch ultra-slim body, reactive AI obstacle recognition, AdaptiLift chassis, and zero-tangling design especially helpful for homes with pets. It also includes auto hot water mop washing and drying, making it almost completely hands-free. Pros: industry-leading 22,000 pascals suction. Ultra-slim 3.14 design reaches tight low spaces. Reactive AI obstacle avoidance for smart navigation. Zero-tangle system ideal for pet owners. Best overall cleaning automation in 2025. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. The Roborock Qrevo CurvX is the number 1 best robot vacuum and mop combo of 2025 due to its unmatched suction power, smart AI navigation, ultra-slim design, and advanced mop cleaning technology. And there you have it, the top 5 best robot vacuum and mop combos of 2025. Each one can save you hours of cleaning, but if you want the most powerful and fully automated experience, the number 1 Roborock Qrevo CurvX is the best choice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more smart home and tech product reviews. Comment below. Which robot vacuum would you choose for your home? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.